Everything we do is about the customer. When we do something, we do it with the customer in mind.
Listening to the voice of the customer is absolutely paramount. If we're not satisfying the customer's needs, then we're failing as an organisation.
It means understanding our customers' business needs. It means understanding how they're trying to move their businesses forwards through digital transformation.
We can align what we've been doing, the R&D we've been doing with doing something that's going to really add value to a customer's business. That's really when we get the buzz.
We are really there to lead our customers in their digital transformation, take them forward and show how we can help improve their processes, their businesses and increase efficiency.
Having the team behind you on a day-to-day basis, having solutions behind you on a day-to-day basis to provide excellent customer service to our customers, you go to work happy and you leave work happy.
I think that the key thing that always shouts out for me is that we are always willing to go the extra mile for the customer to actually deliver excellence in whatever field we're working in.
There's nothing more rewarding than when we're doing project work with the customer and actually delivering a successful outcome and actually making a real difference to somebody's day.
The focus of Columbus is customer success.